you doing, guys? And welcome back to the East Coast. Here back in Miami Haulover, and we're taking advantage of this beautiful day, like you guys can see. And we're here gonna start the weekend off early on Friday. If you guys have been following me for a while, I don't know what happened with the last video, but somebody flagged it and my YouTube restricted, and I tried to appeal it, and I don't know, it's just a big mess, I think, for no reason, because I don't think that video was provocative at all. So I don't know, I guess different opinion, different point of view. But all right, so we're here back in Miami, gonna have some fun in the sun. Oh, look who I found at the ramp.
Yo, I got my Fresco Channel hat on. You know, by the way, go get yours on the website.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Fresco Channel. Estamos rebatados.
Oh, coming soon.
Man, I haven't been on the boat since when?
Long time.
And if this is your first time visiting the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that, you won't miss another video. And if you're already subscribed, double check, make sure all your notifications are turned on, because this is going to be a two-part video and it was too much fun just to put it in one.
So we're back in the water on the East Coast. Full house today. We got Tupac.
Yay! Dos paquetes in Spanish.
Oh, look who's back. Rosie, what's your name? Joanna. Oh, what's up? Joanna, we got the star right here. She's actual. The song was made after her.
Yeah, she's famous.
Angelina, mami, qué coño más bonita. Mira, no te lo dije, no te lo
All right, guys, so we're back at the East Coast, and can anybody guess where we're at? Yep, home is Haulover Sandbar. We're gonna spend, I guess, the day here, and then we'll see where things lead us. We have no direction today. We're going with the wind.
No, I bet you will try that Hawaiian one and you're gonna be screw everything up. Eso sí, te pone. You guys have to take a picture of it and send it. Yeah. Like you could just Google Hawaiian coffee bronzer and you'll pop up. It's like Hawaiian coffee bronzer. Yeah. Es una botellita chiquitica, but it's like $15. But you know, it just you put a little bit y te pone como café. It huele a café. It's amazing. When I went to Hawaii,
What? No, he's leaving. Yeah, I think he's leaving. All right, so we finally made it to the sandbar. We're here. We got Cito Rocks.
Boom.
Fresco Channel.
Hey.
Aquí chileteando, and
You got me doing something.
yeah, I got him. You know, we brought a lot of water, but we kind of forgot something, and I guess he's gonna go to real quick on the dinger.
He's the captain of the boat. Gotta respect the captain. So for everybody who's a guest on a boat, you gotta, whatever the captain says, you gotta do.
Oh yeah, sounds like a good thing.
Right? Sounds like a good thing. Well, I'm gonna go to do a store food run really quick.
On the water.
Water, and that's what we're gonna show you guys today. We're gonna use that. Who's gonna be the captain of the boat?
Where is it? Well, Joel or Fresco? Fresco! Dale.
All right. Fresco is putting me on a mission, and it's really nice out here today. Look, check it out. Look at that. He's getting all red. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
He just wants to show his biceps. Whoa, that's gonna get flagged. All right, you driving us? All right, let's go.
Did you open up the valve?
Yeah. No.
Breather valve.
I did.
Open up the breather valve.
Just remember, it's idle all the way through.
So you're driving us?
Yes.
We got the walkie-talkie. You're the one in communication?
We're going?
I guess so. I'm the navigator.
All right, peace.
All right, see you guys in a bit.
We're gonna go get some.
Now Uber in the water.
So we're in the water. We're gonna do a food run. We gotta respect the captain.
Cities full of different internet boroughs, like the entertainment.
All right, so we just made it to the little store off the sandbar. See the sandbar behind us? Let me tell you, Fresco did a good job driving the small boat.
The wood's lower.
And we're about to reach the dock right here.
That too.
All right.
I got the front.
All right, Joel, get the front.
Go on.
Down, we're here.
All right, we're here.
Yeah, we jump over.
We made it.
I get a phone on this one.
We made it. So now we're gonna get some food.
Oh yeah.
I'll be right back. All right.
Enjoying the day. He's documented. It's good stuff.
Everything. She's the star of the show.
No. Yeah.
All right, guys. Welcome.
You guys went out already? Hell yeah.
You guys going out?
Nah, we're chilling here today. All right, so we made it. We're gonna get some drinks. We're gonna get some food for everybody back on the boat. We gotta go in with our masks. And here we go. Hello.
I just put 62 here. Okay, and then on your sheet that I just did, I put.
Did you find it? Huh? Oh, jackpot. Okay.
And while Cito and Joanna got some goodies at the store, Rosie and Okita sunbathed on the boat.
Hey, listen, we got a lot of Indians on
Here you go. I got that.
There's a lot of Indians out there.
What happened is, all right, so we made it back. I'm gonna jump on here first. You guys got it?
You got it.
All right. Here's gonna be the challenge. See if Joe makes it.
I'll put powder.
Joe, I know you do triathlons and everything. This should be easy for you. There you go. Did we do good? All right.
Oh wait.
Fresco, how we do?
Good.
Yeah, go on that side of it.
Looks cool, bro.
So we made it back, and Joel's gonna drag us around to the back. It was a good trip. Easy, co-pilot right there, and a good captain. They brought us back safe. We did the food run.
It was more like a beer run.
There you go. It was. Let's be honest. You gotta have beer when you're on the sandbar.
And remember guys, there's a lot of people here, but it's during the week. That's the amazing part. And like you can see, the day is beautiful and everything is turning out great. And I'm just getting the barbecue ready for, what time is it? But you know what? That's gonna be in the next video coming up, because we're gonna go ahead and enjoy and see what everybody's up to at the sandbar.
He's so little. You know how much you can make a splash.
Your water?
We found somebody's hat. She's a thief.
Claim it at FrescoChannel.com.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, we just found your hat at the sandbar. So
let me see. We're gonna price is right. So it's a jean denim bedazzled star hat. Find it at Fresco Channel.
Ricky.
Ricky, we can't pronounce our vowels. We're Hispanics.
Ricky wine.
Okay, so here's a disclaimer. If you guys don't claim it within the next 30 days, Oguita owns it.
Okay.
We need 2 more minutes, Oguita.
Alright guys, like I said before, this is going to be a 2-part video, and so far, like you see, we're having a great time here with some great friends and some great people at the sandbar, and it's during the week. That's the amazing part. It feels like the weekend, but also it's going to be a 2-part video because I'm not sure if YouTube could handle so much fun in one video, so I want to chop it in 2 just in case by some odd mystery one disappears or gets restricted. I still have the other. This is an ongoing battle that you guys can help me win just by liking, commenting something you like about the video, and sharing it with your friends. And also, I would like to thank everyone that has bought Fresco Channel and Sandbar Life merchandise that I know it's taking a little long, but the shop is running 2 weeks behind because of so many overwhelming orders. Thank you guys, and thank you for the support. But now, stay tuned for the next video of us here hanging out at the sandbar during the week. And here's a quick peek.